The basils are getting ready to be planted, and I've got some yucca over here. And now in early April, the squashes are beginning to move, beginning to crawl. We're going to have to get some mulch under them pretty soon. Lettuces over here are going to seed and collect the seed and use them again next year. This is a variety called New Zealand, and here of course the pole beans are now beginning to climb a bit. Artichokes, maybe we'll get a good production this year, who knows. Over here, down the next bed, we see the end of the brassica season, the cabbages. There's still some kohlrabis over there that we need to pick. Right over there. And we started work on the sweet potato bed. Tomatoes are beginning to look pretty good. You can see the vines are up high. There are plenty of green tomatoes on the plant. Here's some Russian kale still operating, and the celery going to seed here. But we've got lots of tomatoes on line here. Got some help in the garden, and they just got mulch out here on the end of the bed here, so we can plant some cucumbers probably later today. So the garden's beginning to look pretty good despite all this